Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to get demotion protection. And the only way to get this is, or what this first does is basically like it just stops you from like losing any SR for like 3 matches, and then obviously it goes down as many matches as you play. And yeah, so the only way to get this is, let's just say you're Plat 3 and you get Diamond 1, and this is your first time ever hitting Diamond in this season. Then yeah, you're gonna get it for like 3 matches. But if you are Diamond 1 and you play 3 games, whatever, you're out of the protection, then you go back down to Plat 3, and then you go back to Diamond 1, you're not gonna get it again. So it's only like you only get it like once every new rank. So you're not gonna get it for Plat 1 to Plat 2, you're only gonna get it from like Plat 1 to Diamond 1, or Diamond 1 to Crimson 1. So yeah, that is basically how you get demotion protection, and it's the same for multiplayer rank play and rebirth rank play. And yeah, so that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.